Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen Naturals. If you're new to my channel, just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Well, if you want to know how I make this DIY fluffy shea butter, air cream, and buttercream, you can stay tuned and see how I made it. Thank you. Okay, so this is the shea butter I'm using, and all you have to do is just to break it down. I think it would have been better if I had melted the shea butter before mixing, but unfortunately I have to go through this stress. So you have to just break the shea butter and then start breaking those lumps, and just start breaking them all out until you get this smoother paste. Then you can add your herbs. Well, in this video I'm going to be using just olive oil. Well, you can use any other oil you can use argan oil, coconut oil, but I already have olive oil right beside me here, so I'm going to be using olive oil. Okay, so just remember, when you're making a fluffy air cream like this, you have to mix well. You have to mix well, very well. So you add your oil and then mix again until you're done. Okay, so after some minutes mixing, you're going to get a smoother paste just like this, and you can try to add more oil. As you can see, I'm adding more olive oil. You can try to add more of any of your oils you have, please, and keep mixing. Well, after mixing for a while, I found out that it was soft enough, and I transferred it into my bowl. You can use anything you have, but I'm using my bowl here. Wait, it's not a bowl. Okay, it's a airtight container. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video, okay? And also do not forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all.